Welcome children in the science class. Today we will start new chapter 4, Importance of Plants. In the previous class we learned about plants around us and their leaves. We now know the different parts of a plants like leaf, fruit, branch, bud, stem, root, flowers, etc. We also learned about classification of plants like trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, climbers, etc. So today we will start importance of plants. We know that plants are of great importance in our day-to-day life. Here you can see so many pictures of so many types of plants. Okay. In this importance of plants, today we will learn the uses of plants. Okay, there are so many uses of plants are there. We depend on plants for our various necessities. Yes, it is very true. Okay, plants give us food in the form of fruits. We get fruits from the plants. We get vegetables, we get pulses, and we get grains. All these uses of plants we have already learned in class 2 EVS. Okay, we get wood, paper, rubber, cotton, oils, spices, and so many other things from different plants. Okay, some plants like tulsi, neem, ginger, and garlic are used to make medicines. This all of you know it very well. Okay, here you can see the pictures of different plant products. Plants provide us many things. You can see the pictures like it is given spices. Okay, then fruits and vegetables, wood, oils, oxygen, rubber, medicine. All these things we get from plants. Okay, apart from providing so many useful things, plants give us something very important for all living things. Okay, apart from providing useful things means useful products, plants gives us something very important. Let's see what is there. This is oxygen gas, the gas we all need for breathing. Children, you know that we breathe inside air and we breathe outside air. The air we breathe inside is the oxygen gas. Okay, plants give out oxygen gas during the day. Okay, this helps to increase the amount of oxygen in the air, thereby purify it. So the plants give us oxygen gas that purifies the air in the environment. Hence, plants act as air purifiers. This is very important. Okay, plants act as air purifiers as it gives out oxygen gas. Plants also bind the soil with the help of their roots. Now, you have studied the different parts of the plants, and one most important part is roots which lie under the earth. The function of the root is to bind the soil. We can now understand that plants are very important gift of nature. So from all these things we can understand now plants are very important gift of a nature. We must take care of plants so that their number does not decrease. It means that we don't have to cut trees. We have to take care of the trees and we have to plant trees also. If we have to survive on the earth, we must protect the plant. So if we want to survive on this earth, so we have to protect the plants from cutting. Okay, children, hope all of you have understood, and for your assignment you have to draw all the plants products like spices, fruits and vegetables, woods, oil, oxygen, rubber, medicine. All of you will draw this in your EVS copy and color it. Okay, That's all for today. Thank you.